Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful language in a fun and simple way. Friends, in this video, I am going to share with a story, and this story is very interesting. And this story is about the brave little deer. So, without any further delay, let's start the story. In a forest full of tall trees and soft green grass, there lived a little deer named Mira. Mira was a gentle and quiet. She liked to walk slowly, listen to birds, and drink clean water from the river. But Mira had one problem. She was afraid of almost everything. She was afraid of loud sounds. She was afraid of fast rivers. She was afraid of the dark. She was even afraid of her own shadow sometimes. But the other animals were very different. The monkeys jumped from tree to tree. The rabbits ran very fast. The bird flew high in the sky. The elephant walked with confidence. Mira would watch them and think, I am too small, I am too weak, I am too scared. So she stayed close to her mother and never went far. One morning, the forest was very quiet. No birds were singing, no monkeys were playing. The bird looked very strange. The wind felt strange. Mira and her mother went to the river to drink water. But when they reached the river, they saw something sad. But what sad? A little baby rabbit was stuck in the mud near the water. His legs were trapped. He was crying softly. The river water was rising slowly, slowly. Other animals were standing far away. This is dangerous, said a deer. The mud is deep, said a monkey. The water is strong, said a boar. No one moved. Everyone is scared. Everyone was scared. Mira looked at the baby rabbit. He was shaking. He was tired. He was scared, just like her. Her heart started beating fast. Her heart started beating fast. I am scared too. She thought, I am small. I am weak. Then she remembered something her mother once said. Brave does not mean not being scared. Brave does not mean not being scared. Brave means helping even when you are scared. Mira took a step and went. Her legs were shaking. Another step. The mud was cold and soft under her hoofs. Everyone watched in silence. Mira, come back. Her mother cried. But Mira kept walking slowly, carefully, and bravely. She reached the baby rabbit. Don't worry, Mira said softly. I am here. I am here. She pushed the mud with her legs. She leaned her body forward. She used all her strength. The mud was heavy. The rabbit was stuck. The water was rising. The water was rising. Mira slipped. She almost fell. She almost fell. But she didn't stop. She tried again and again and again. It means she tried again and again and again. Finally, plop, the rabbit's legs came free. Mira gently pushed him towards by towards dry ground. The baby rabbit was safe. For a moment, the forest was silent. Then the birds were started singing. The monkeys started cheering. The rabbit jumped happily. Even the big animals smiled. Mira stood there muddy and tired. Her heart was still beating fast, but it felt very different. It felt strong. Her mother ran to her and hugged her with her neck. You were brave. You were brave, she said. Mira whispered. Mira whispered. I was scared. I was scared the whole time. Her mother smiled and said, that's what brave really is. From that day on, Mira was still gentle. She was still quiet. She was still soft-hearted. But she was not the scared deer anymore. She was Mira, the brave little deer, and the forest never forgot her kindness. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe.